Hey guys, Derek here from Modern Castle. The LG CordZero All-in-One Auto-Empty Cordless Stick Vacuum has a self-emptying base and high-tech features. How well does it perform? Let's dive into our review and find out. Let's start with the most important part of any vacuum cleaner, how well it cleans. To evaluate the cleaning performance, we test the LG CordZero on 3 different floor types: hardwood floors, low pile carpet, and high pile carpet, and on 4 different debris types: sugar, rice, kitty litter, and cereal. We used the standard full-size cleaning head on turbo power for these tests. Overall cleaning performance of the CordZero was great, with some notable exceptions. The vacuum was able to remove 85.6% of total debris by weight across all 3 floor types. Across all floor types, the vacuum struggled to remove cereal completely. During our testing, the vacuum clogged while removing the cereal. It then spit the cereal back out onto the testing lane. We think this was due to the narrow connection point between the telescoping wand and the dustbin. This is something to be aware of if you are often vacuuming larger debris. However, this is a tough test and it's not uncommon for cordless stick vacuums to struggle. If you remove cereal from the equation, the performance was drastically improved, removing 98.1% of total debris across all floor types. On hardwood floors, the CordZero removed 83.3% of all debris types. The vacuum was able to remove 100% of sugar, rice, and kitty litter while only removing 33% of the cereal. The universal power nozzle is low to the ground and has a hard time getting on top of cereal, pushing it around more than picking it up. To combat this, you may want to switch to the crevice or combination tool and work slowly, as sucking in larger debris too quickly can cause clogging. During our low pile carpet test, the LG CordZero was able to remove 84% of the overall debris. This score was largely due to the larger cereal debris, only removing 43.2% of the cereal from low carpet. Beyond that, the vacuum performed well, only leaving behind a small amount of sugar. High pile carpet showed a similar story to the other floor types. It left behind small amounts of kitty litter, rice, and sugar. However, the majority of missed debris was on cereal. Overall, it removed 89.8% of total debris on high pile carpet. To perform our hair test, we lay long strands of hair on the floor, run the vacuum directly over the hair, and check to see how much hair was removed. We then checked the brush roll to see how much hair, if any, had tangled. The LG CordZero was able to pick up all the hair from the floor. However, a small amount of the hair was tangled around the brush roll after cleaning. While it did a pretty good job at managing the incoming hair, it's something to keep in mind if you're often cleaning up long strands of hair while vacuuming. Next, we have our pet fur test. This test is similar to our hair test in that we lay down pet fur on high pile carpet, run the vacuum over the fur, and check to see how much was removed or how much was clogged in the nozzle. We used the pet nozzle that came with the CordZero for this test, and it did an excellent job. The pet nozzle was able to agitate the carpet well enough to suck up most of the pet fur. I only noticed trace amounts of pet fur after our test. In addition, the pet nozzle did not clog or tangle with any pet hair. Overall, excellent performance when it comes to pet fur. The LG CordZero All-in-One also includes a spinning mopping attachment. This nozzle is easy to set up and start using. We filled the water tank, attached the mopping heads, and cleaned the floor in our office studio space. Mopping setup was simple, and versatility of the device made it easy to clean the whole floor. The mop nozzle has 3 modes for water output: no water, low water, and high water. This allows you to adjust the output of the water as needed. In our test, the mop was able to remove a moderate level of dirt and dust from our hardwood and tile flooring. While it may not have the same performance as a dedicated mop, it is a great fit for everyday cleaning and spot cleaning as needed. Next is our runtime test. The runtime of the CordZero will vary drastically depending on how you use it. The manufacturer states the vacuum has a range of 12 to 120 minutes depending on which mode and which nozzle you use. Our test will run with a telescoping wand, full-size cleaning head, and a single battery. On normal mode, the battery lasted 56 minutes and 10 seconds. On power mode, it lasted 29 minutes and 6 seconds. And finally, on turbo mode, the battery lasted 7 minutes and 11 seconds. The vacuum comes with a backup battery that can be charged in the base. If the vacuum runs out of battery while you're cleaning, you can easily replace the battery with a full one and continue. For our noise test, we measured the volume level in decibels for the vacuum and the self-empty dustbin. We performed this test by running the vacuum on 3 different modes and using a sound meter to measure noise level from about 3 feet away. On normal mode, the noise reached 54.5 decibels, and on power mode, it was a little louder at 57.8 decibels. For reference, this is similar to the noise level of a quiet office or moderate rainfall. On turbo mode, it reached 62.9 decibels, and the self-emptying dustbin reached 66.4 decibels. This is around the same noise level as a conversation or the hum of a refrigerator. Here is what the vacuum sounds like on hardwood, carpet, and while emptying. To test usability, we used it in a wide variety of scenarios to see how well it performed. We started by cleaning on, in, and around a sofa. The vacuum can easily switch between the various nozzles and different lengths to best fit the situation. With the use of these tools, we were able to easily clean in tight spots and crevices, the cushions and the fabric of the sofas, and under the sofa. The vacuum was able to almost lay completely flat in order to reach under the couch. In addition, the telescoping wand made it even easier to reach around further corners along the wall. You can remove the telescoping wand and make the vacuum handheld for finer control of the device. To reduce clogging and extend the amount of debris the dustbin can store, the body of the vacuum uses a manual compressor. This allows you to slide a lever on the side of the vacuum and compress the debris into the bottom half. The vacuum can also connect to the LG Think app to help you manage your device. The app will give you reports on the usage of your vacuum and let you know the current status of the device. Personally, an app for a cordless vacuum feels a bit unnecessary, but is there if that's something you're into. Overall, the vacuum is designed to fit a wide variety of needs and it performed well during our usability tests. The most notable feature of the CordZero All-in-One is the self-emptying base. When you place the CordZero on the base, it will automatically empty the dustbin into the base debris bag. This can also be done manually at any time with the press of a button. On top of the base is the control panel that can be opened to charge the extra battery that comes with the device. On the side of the base are 2 clips that can hold the larger universal power nozzle and the mop nozzle attachment. When you open the 2 side panels of the self-emptying base, you can find more clips and slots for other attachments that come with the vacuum. Accessories that come with the LG CordZero All-in-One include the universal power nozzle, which is the full-size cleaning head. It is the most versatile of the included accessories, and it can be used on a variety of surfaces, including carpet, rugs, tile, hardwood, and other indoor surfaces. The cleaning head is 10.24 inches wide, 4 inches deep, and 2.5 inches tall. The pet nozzle can be used for soft surfaces and for pet hair removal. It is important to note that LG recommends not using this nozzle on specific surfaces like clothing, leather sofas, carpet, and vinyl flooring, as it could lead to damage over time. The telescoping wand can be extended or contracted depending on your needs. Notably, this is a feature you don't see on Dyson's line of cordless stick vacuums. Additionally, the CordZero comes with a standard set of tools, the crevice tool and combination tool. In the box, you'll also have the all-in-one tower base, 2 batteries, and extra pre-filter with 3 dust bags. So, is the LG CordZero All-in-One the right choice for you? The CordZero is a cordless stick vacuum with excellent performance and a plethora of easy-to-use features. While it struggled with large cereal, cleaning performance on all of the debris types, including pet and human hair, was excellent. Maintaining the vacuum was also incredibly easy with the auto-empty base. The base charges extra batteries, houses all the tools, and even empties the dustbin for you. This means less work for you overall. In addition, the filters in Cyclone are easily removed and washable, which means the CordZero will run like new for longer. If you are a pet owner, the compressing dustbin is great for managing voluminous debris, like pet hair. It also allows you to compress the debris and extend the amount of time you have before needing to empty the vacuum. Overall, the CordZero All-in-One makes cleaning easy and efficient. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Comments, questions, please drop us those notes down below. If you're interested in buying the LG CordZero, we've got a link in the description. For more from Modern Castle, be sure to get subscribed, ring that bell, and visit us over at moderncastle.com. As always, thank you so much for watching.